strategy that works. Get views, get subscribers, get watch hours very fast. It is very important to know that there is YouTube strategy that works. Yes, if you enter on your YouTube studio, that is studio.youtube.com, you go on your channel, channel customization, enter on your settings. When you enter on your settings, go to upload default. You'll see advanced settings. When on your advanced settings, you are supposed to enter on your settings. That is, you can see public, private, or unlisted. You are not supposed to put your channel on public directly. First, before everything else, put your video on unlisted or private, so that your YouTube algorithm will analyze on your video first, maybe for 2 to 3 hours before they put it on public, so that you know where to be able to suggest your video to the right people or to the right activities within the YouTube channel. It is very important to know that you are supposed to select public, private, or unlisted. Yes, so that later, or you schedule, go on your public, then premiere list, then you schedule your videos. Maybe it will go public on 11 p.m., 5 p.m., maybe 3 to 2 hours after. Yes, before it go on public. Yes, so that the YouTube algorithm will be able to have put your video to the right place. Another thing, when you go to your content on when you are on channel customization, go to content, scroll down, or select one video, then scroll down. You'll see, no, it is not made for child. Show more. Click on show more. You scroll down, then you see altered. Is it yes or no? You are not supposed to skip that thing. You are supposed to select yes or no. If it is no, it shows that your video is not made from maybe a thumbnail. It is not made from AI. If it's made from AI, say yes. If it's not made from AI, say no. Yes, but if you skip this section, YouTube might put your channel to the shadow ban, or may ignore your video and may not suggest to the right people. So select and put the right thing there. Yes, no, it's not made, it is not altered. Like that. Make sure everything is there. Tags, all the tags, you have put your tags, public, deprecation, description, visibility, all these sort of things. Yes, make sure they are on the right thing. Strategy that actually works: get views, get subscribers, get watch time hours faster. Enter on your YouTube studio. Yes, this is YouTube studio. Then you enter on your channel. When you enter on your channel, go to channel customization, so that you see your channel customization. Then go to settings. You see settings. Go to upload default. You go to upload default. Here you'll see public. You'll see visibility. Here you click like that. You see visibility. Visibility can be public, private, or unlisted. It is very important to know that in YouTube algorithm, so that they can recommend or the best strategy that the YouTube uses, so that you can get your views and the subscribers very fast. It is very important to know that you can put your video or on private or unlisted. you can put your video private or unlisted before it goes to public. Don't put it public first. Put it on private or unlisted so that the YouTube algorithm can be set on time 2 to 3 hours before it goes to public. That you put on premieres. You put it on premieres or schedule it. When you schedule it for 2 to 3 hours, it make the YouTube algorithm to be able to get suggest your videos to the best viewers, or put your videos to the best viewers. Yes, it is very important to know that the YouTube algorithm will be able to put your videos to the best people, or to the best people who are supposed to view. So put it private or unlisted before it goes to public. That is on upload default. Yes, it is very important to know that. Yes, you can go to your channel. You can go to your channel. When on your channel, you can go to your channel. That is channel, you go to content. When you go to content, you will see your videos. So click one of the videos. You'll see this is my videos. You scroll down, you will see is it made for kids or not made for kids? Yes, no, it is not made for kids. So show more. Show more. You click down. When you come to altered content, here you have to show your content are made for AI or is not. If it's made for AI, altered content, you say yes, it is altered content. Yes. If it's not made from AI, say no. You have to put yes or no. Don't leave it like that. If you want the YouTube to be able to recommend your videos to the best people, or not to skip away or put it on shadow ban. Yes, it should be yes.